Alright, this is just a quick video on how to clean a hood. I don't know if you can see all the dirt and grime. That side of the hood has been done. This part right here has been done. So what I'm going to do on this video is actually this part over here and then this part over here. Basically, I'm using a cut paintbrush and then a real paintbrush that hasn't been cut, but I did cut the end. Probably won't use this. And what I'm using is simple green, and for the most part this is going to be done on a 3rd gen 4Runner. I actually just got done cleaning the engine bay and I've got it all covered in plastic, and now it's time to do the hood because it's going to be the final part of the actual engine bay cleanup. So I'll take my brush that's cut. It gives it a like harder bristles. I don't know why I like using this, but I do. And I take my simple green, full strength, and basically I just go around in little circles to get all the stuff out. I like to do this and then wipe it with a wet towel, just so that all the grease doesn't I don't know, dry up and get hard again, black. And then I'll take this brush again, dip it in the simple green, and then I'll do the stuff around it. On the video, we're not going to clean the entire hood. I'm only going to be doing this part because that would actually be a super long video, and I'm not sure if people want to see all that. But pretty much on this section you guys will see how I clean my hood. All right, nobody got hurt there. That was just my wrenches. And basically wipe it down, and then right next to me I have a clean towel, semi-clean towel, that I could just wipe everything dry with. So this is a 25-year-old car, and this is probably 25-year-old grime from the hood. And let's see if I could show you guys the difference. So that's the clean part, and then that's the dirty part. Dirty, clean. And then on the other side, I've pretty much cleaned everything as much as I could, and that's what it looks like. Thanks for watching.